Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Imagine a world where gadgets don't just follow commands, they actually predict what you want, adapt to your behavior, and sometimes even outthink you. Sounds like science fiction? Think again. Today, we're diving into AI gadgets so smart it's scary. From devices that analyze your emotions to tech that learns and evolves all on its own, these AI innovations will blow your mind. Let's get into it. First up is the Emotive Epoch Plus, a brain-computer interface that reads your brainwaves. This device uses EEG sensors to track your thoughts and emotions in real time. Imagine meditating with feedback on your focus or gaming with brain-controlled actions. It's next-level tech that could revolutionize healthcare and human-computer interaction. Treatments for ADHD and anxiety could benefit from this brain-reading tech. Would you wear a device that can read your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Up next, AI companions that are so lifelike, you might start questioning what it means to be human. Stick around, things are about to get weird. Ever wish you had a friend who truly gets you? Meet Replica AI, your digital companion. This AI chatbot learns from your conversations, picking up on your personality, interests, and sense of humor. It's like having a therapist, best friend, and personal assistant all in one. Some people form genuine emotional connections with their Replica AI. Is this the start of AI replacing human connection, or a new form of companionship? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. Up next, AI-powered home security that's always watching and learning. Stay tuned! Home security is evolving with AI, and it's both impressive and unsettling. The advancements in technology are making our homes safer, but they also raise questions about privacy and control. Take the Nest Cam IQ, for example. This device is a prime example of how far we've come in home security. This isn't your average security camera. It's equipped with state-of-the-art technology that sets it apart from traditional systems. It uses facial recognition to identify familiar faces and strangers. This means it can tell the difference between a family member and an intruder. The Nest Cam IQ is always learning, analyzing activity patterns, and detecting anything out of the ordinary. It adapts to your household's routines and becomes more efficient over time. It can notify you when your kid comes home or if the dog walker leaves the gate open. These real-time alerts keep you informed no matter where you are. It's like having an extra set of eyes on your home, powered by AI that never sleeps. This constant vigilance provides a sense of security that's hard to match. But is this too big, brother? The idea of being constantly watched can be unsettling for many. We're giving these devices access to our homes and lives. They know our schedules, our habits, and even our faces. How comfortable are we with AI being the guardians of our homes? This is a question we all need to consider as we integrate more technology into our daily lives. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Your opinions are important as we navigate this new era of smart home security. Up next, AI that can write code, potentially putting developers like me out of a job. This technology is advancing rapidly and could change the landscape of many professions. Stick around, it's about to get meta. We're diving into the future of AI and its impact on our lives. Let's talk about AI that can write its own code, OpenAI Codex. This revolutionary technology is changing the way we think about programming. This AI system can generate entire blocks of code based on simple instructions. Just imagine telling your computer what you want, and it writes the code for you. Codex is the brains behind GitHub Copilot, helping developers write code faster. It's like having a supercharged assistant that understands your coding needs. It learns from a massive data set of code, understanding different programming languages and predicting your intentions. Whether you're working in Python, JavaScript, or any other language, Codex has got you covered. Need to build a website layout? Codex can whip up the HTML and CSS code for you. It's like having a web designer at your fingertips. Want to create a simple game? Codex can handle the JavaScript logic. From basic functions to complex algorithms, it's all within reach. It can even debug your code. No more spending hours hunting down that elusive bug. Codex can identify and fix it for you. This has the potential to revolutionize software development. Teams can work more efficiently, focusing on creativity and problem-solving rather than mundane coding tasks. Imagine anyone bringing their app ideas to life without knowing a single line of code. The barrier to entry for app development is being lowered dramatically. But what does this mean for the future of developers? Are we all going to be replaced by AI? It's a question that's on many minds. I see it as an opportunity for human-AI collaboration. By leveraging AI, developers can push the boundaries of what's possible, creating more innovative and efficient solutions. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. How do you see AI impacting the future of coding and development? Up next, we're stepping into the world of robots. Don't touch that dial, the future is closer than you think. Tesla bot, Optimus Prime, but real and potentially scary. Imagine a world where the line between science fiction and reality blurs. Tesla's latest venture is the Tesla bot, a humanoid robot designed to handle mundane tasks. This isn't just a concept, it's a tangible step towards a future where robots assist us in our daily lives. Standing at 5'8", the Tesla bot navigates our world with ease. Its design is sleek and human-like, making it capable of moving through spaces designed for people. Powered by the same AI technology as Tesla's self-driving cars, it perceives and understands its environment. This advanced AI allows it to make real-time decisions, ensuring it can adapt to various situations. Imagine the Tesla bot cleaning your kitchen, doing laundry, or even cooking dinner. It's like having a personal assistant who never tires and always gets the job done perfectly. It's designed for household chores, factories, warehouses, and dangerous environments. This versatility means it can be deployed in numerous settings, from helping at home to performing tasks in hazardous conditions. But what happens when these robots become more advanced? As technology progresses, these robots could develop capabilities beyond our current imagination. Will they take over our jobs? The rise of automation brings both opportunities and challenges, sparking debates about the future of work. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but the future of robots is closer than we think. The integration of robots into our daily lives is no longer a distant dream, but an impending reality. Are we ready for it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinions are crucial as we navigate this new frontier. Up next, we're meeting another robot, but this one's a little furrier and a lot more agile. This next innovation will surprise you with its unique design and capabilities. You won't want to miss it. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of robotics. Boston Dynamics Spot. This robot dog doesn't play fetch, it gets things done. Spot is a quadrupedal robot built for serious business. It's incredibly agile and can navigate complex terrain. Spot uses sensors and cameras to perceive its surroundings. It can learn from its environment, adapting its movements based on real-time data. Spot can be equipped with various attachments and tools. Imagine Spot exploring a collapsed building, inspecting pipelines, or patrolling a construction site. The possibilities are endless, and that's both exciting and daunting. This autonomous robot raises questions about the role of robots in our future. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Up next, a ring that knows you better than your doctor. Stay tuned. Aura Ring Gen 3. This ring knows you better than your doctor, maybe. The Aura Ring is packed with sensors that track your health and wellness. It uses AI to analyze your personal patterns and predict potential health issues. Imagine your Aura Ring telling you that you might be getting sick or suggesting a rest day. It's like having a personal health coach on your finger. The Aura Ring is constantly learning and evolving, but with any device that collects personal data, privacy concerns arise. How secure is this information? Who has access to it? The Aura Ring is a glimpse into the future of personalized health and wellness. Up next, your home with a brain that knows your every move. Stay tuned. Samsung SmartThings Hub, your home, now with a brain and it knows your every move. The SmartThings Hub connects all your compatible devices and appliances. It uses AI to create a seamless ecosystem that anticipates your needs. Imagine walking in the door and the lights turn on, the thermostat adjusts, and your favorite playlist starts playing. The SmartThings Hub learns your routines and preferences. It can pause your movie, show a live feed from your security camera, and let you unlock the door remotely. But all this convenience comes at a cost: data. The SmartThings Hub collects a ton of information about you and your habits. How comfortable are we with this level of data collection? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Up next, the ethical dilemma of AI gadgets. The ethical dilemma. Are we building a dystopian future one gadget at a time? These gadgets are amazing, but they're also collecting a ton of data about us. How much control are we really willing to give up for convenience? What happens when AI systems know us better than we know ourselves? Imagine a world where your smart home can be hacked to manipulate your emotions. And then there's job displacement as AI becomes more sophisticated. Do we embrace the AI revolution or proceed with caution? The future of AI is something we're actively creating right now. Let's have an open and honest conversation about the potential risks and benefits. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's a choose-your-own-adventure story. The future is now. What AI gadget scared you the most? We've explored some of the most mind-blowing and yes, potentially scary AI gadgets out there. AI is a tool, and it's up to us to ensure it's used responsibly and ethically. We need to have open and honest conversations about the potential risks and benefits of AI, establish clear guidelines and regulations to prevent misuse, stay informed, engaged, and vigilant. The future of AI is a choose-your-own-adventure story, and we're writing the script. Let's make it a good one. And that's it for today's video on AI gadgets so smart, it's scary. Which one blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest in tech and gadgets. If you're fascinated by the future of AI, check out more videos on the channel. We've got plenty of content that'll keep you on the edge of your seat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.